Hello everyone, our project is attendance management system using face recognition and cloud-based IoT technology. The main aim of our project is to reduce the time consumed at the beginning or end of the class to take the attendance and the manual work done by the lecturer, and also we can save the document we need to keep for attendance management system. It consisting of 3 steps. First 2 steps are one-time process and the next is recurring process, that is attendance management. First process, we have to take different images of a student in different conditions and different scenarios and different lighting conditions. Next, the face scanning process. We convert here the captured images into grayscale values and then into values according to hard features used for human frontal face recognition. And in the third process, that is attendance management system, as the student enters the class, we will capture his image and and convert that into grayscale image. Next, we will extract the features using the same hard feature based SFX. Then compare this with the already stored values in the cloud. If there is a match, then that particular student is said to be present and his attendance will be incremented by 1. This is the database creation program. Now we will run this program. It will ask to enter the ID of the student. We will enter it as 2. Then it will initialize the camera to capture the image of the student. Now it is recognizing the image of the student. It will at a time it will take 30 images in order to store it in the database. Now we have to train the faces. That will be done using LBPO face recognition. Now we will run the program. It will take some time to train the faces. After training, it will show how many faces we have trained. It is showing 2 faces have trained. This is the program for face recognition, that is attendance management system. That is, it has to detect the image of the student when he enters the classroom. Now we will run the program. Now it is detecting the person and showing that this particular person is present. How many times it will recognize the faces, it will show as present, but it will note this time also. Hence, thereby it will increment the attendance count by only 1 for a particular class. Thus, we can identify the mark for attendance of the system without the manual work. This is done automatically. Hence, it is very useful to reduce the manual work and keeping the document for attendance management system.